Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please do not forget to like, subscribe and share this video with your family and friends. So in my last video, I promised I was going to upload the eye tutorial for this makeup, and so I started off with that brown shade that you see in the Annie's Beauty palette. Like I said, this palette is the best palette I have ever had when it comes to eyeshadow. It's really pigmented and it's not scattered. You don't see it all over the place. It's just very pigmented and very good and easy to use. So I started off with this brown orange shades, and I started smoking the outer corner of the eye. I smoked the outer corner of the eye and I was dragging the color outwardly so that I can give the eyelids a cat eye illusion. Thereafter, I went on to apply a darker shade, which was much more darker than the orange brown shade that I applied earlier, to just smoke and to blend it in. So when you are applying different shades of your browns or eyeshadows, always make sure to blend so that there is no demarcation as you see me doing. So you can use your fluffy brush, you can use a flat brush depending on the kind of color you're applying. With the black color, it's always good to use a very precise and a smaller angle brush so that the color does not spread everywhere. And then you can use a fluffy brush now to blend the eyeshadows so that there is no demarcation. So thereafter, I applied my pink pigments. I used my pigment glue. So I applied my glue pigments and I went ahead to apply my pink pigments. Thereafter, I was just blending all the colors I had put in place: the orange brown shades, the deep dark shades, and so I just blended all the colors I put in place. I was just blending it using a fluffy brush so that everything is uniform, so that you don't know where the brown starts. So I had finished blending the colors and I wanted to apply that pink shade because I really do not like the intensity of the pink pigment glitters I put before. So I was going to apply a nude pink shade on her eyelids that could just blend. Actually, I really did not know the eye look that I was going in for. So, but I knew that I wanted the pink glam, something just pink that could match with her skin. So I just had to be creative. So after applying the pink pigments, it was not good enough for me. I went on to use an angle brush with a flat surface to just pat and to press on her eyelids to just pop up that pink glitter that I put underneath. So after applying her the pink shade, I started off to use a fluffy brush to just blend the pink together. Like I said, I always blend all my colors so that you don't know which one is starting from, where the pink is coming from, where the brown is coming from. So I have blended everything and this is what we have at this point. So I went on to apply my mascara. I just wanted to darken off all that brown powder that has spilled on her eye that had spilled on her eyelids and her eyebrows. So this is what happens. No makeup artist is perfect. When you do your makeup, you cannot just avoid having the spillage. So the least you can do, or the best you can do, is to use your mascara to just do the imperfect, to just perfect the imperfection like I was doing. So I just brushed off with her mascara and I drew a small wing eyeliner to just darken. I drew that wing eyeliner on the place that I was going to to gum the false lashes, so that it will not look like there is a space in between, because that space in between is always like you have not applied the lashes perfectly, and it always makes the work look so unprofessional. So always make sure to draw your wing eyeliner and to always brush off your client's lashes to get rid of that brown powder that has spilled off on her lashes. So that's what I was doing. Thereafter, I went on to apply my false lashes and to just clip it with her natural lashes. So I had applied the false lashes after putting my gum. I use this gum. It's white and it's very portable and easy to use. So you put on the lashes, and when it turns blue before you're able to use, because when it's still white the gum is not activated, and so it cannot really gum. So when it's activated to blue, that is when it's able to gum. So after doing that, I had to clip her natural lashes with the false lashes, and I was making sure that there is no space in between, because I really do not like that gap between the natural lashes and the false lashes. So to get rid of that imperfection, that gap that is always in between, I went in again with my mascara to just get rid of that space in between, and to try to darken again the natural lashes, and to just press the natural lashes and the false lashes together as you see me doing. So guys, this is what we have for our final look. I just love how Barbie the look looks and how beautiful it turns out to be. It just matched with her lips, with her blush, and everything was just so colorful, color gradient and beautiful. So guys, do not be scared to try out different colors in your eyeshadow color palette. Be creative. Use that green, that yellow shade that you think is too loud. Just blend it in.